guys, welcome to Summer Auto Parts. This is Summer. Today we are going to assemble the front bumper for new Defender. This front bumper is available for both Defender 910 and Defender 110. As we can see, all the parts on the floor, they are going to assemble, and we can find the front bumper bracket, and this is practice PP material, and we can find all the parts, all the front bumper accessories is the primary color. So when you get this one, you can go to the painting by yourself, which is same as your cars. And we can find this bracket for the front grille. We do the gloss black, and we can find the front side and the back side. That's all the perfect high qualities. And today we are going to assemble the front bumper to show you how to assemble the parts as a complete front bumper and remove the original ones to make the OE parts to the cars. So follow my videos and check more details if you have interest in the aftermarket part.